Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 1970 Mercury Marquis Convertible. This comes from Mike in Jericho, Vermont. Mike has requested the modern internal conversion, which adds FM, and he's also requested the Bluetooth and USB functions, which we'll be demonstrating as well. So, I've got it set to FM at the moment. Let's go ahead and turn her on. And I'm just going to run through the presets. I got them all preset to stations in my area to keep the songs as short as possible. Okay, looks like we may have drifted a bit. So we'll just...
Mama, he's crazy.
About heaven and the promise.
Speaks of an individual.
Okay, so that's all the FM presets. Let's go to AM. We do that on this unit by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So off, on. Now we're on AM, and we get one strong station about the middle of the dial.
Now is pubs, which is quite appropriate for the UK.
Okay, there's our AM, and I'm going to leave it on the talk radio so I don't get nailed for copyright while I demonstrate a few other things. We have our left-right balance control, which make sure that still works. All the way left, all the way right,
other parties rise up too.
left,
UKIP, for instance,
right.
Nigel Farage's party, the UK Independence Party, the Brexit Party. You know, there are a lot of different.
Okay, this radio now also has a virtual front-rear fader. We activate that by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right. So let's try that.
Against the vaccine passports. Even
okay, let's try it again. It doesn't always work the first time.
The politics of individual rights. I mean, I consider myself an American conservative, but I like a lot of aspects of the broader conservative tradition. My whole politics.
There we go.
You know, these are my
okay, so now the same
rights,
control is adjusting
I might do that too.
your front-rear speaker balance.
Politics of tradition. I like the politics of home. I like the politics of Edinburgh.
Okay,
and,
so I'm going to center the speakers. I'm going to stop adjusting it and
conservatism.
Fader set.
Fader set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We're going to do that by giving our volume control 2 turns to the right.
Check your
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. And of course, I don't do all that on the demo videos. Just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating that's working. After 90 seconds, the lady will come back on saying, pairing not completed. While we're waiting for that, let's test our USB reader. I got my radio commercials on this USB stick.
We're going to be at the front end of this situation.
Okay, unplug that. Radio comes back. Okay, last thing to check is the 8-track. We don't need the meters anymore. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Nice, bright sounding 8-track. Gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, that's my test tones that you're hearing. Okay, we're between songs here. I think we're between songs here too, so we're probably coming up. There we go. Okay, I'm going to pull the tape out. Radio comes right back. Now, one thing I want to point out here, let's test the dial light real quick. You can see that flashing on and on right between those 2 tuner buttons there. So that's been replaced as well. One thing I'll mention, after using the aux input, after the aux signal is removed, there will be a 20-second delay before the radio comes back on. That's due to a Vox circuit that holds onto that aux input a little longer than it really needs to, just to make sure you're not switching back and forth between songs and during quiet music packages. If you don't like that delay, just turn the unit off, turn it right back on, then the radio will come right back on at that time. So, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old AM 8-Track. The 8-track will come out sounding better than it ever did because it wasn't made to sound great back in 1970 because the speakers weren't really up to today's standards and other factors. So the 8-track is going to sound brighter than it did when it rolled off the assembly line. My phone number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Mike, for your business clear from Jericho, Vermont, and we'll see you guys next time.